So I'm Jamie from MTA, and I'm going to show you how to pack an MTA Team Kit. It's really easy if you do it right. So first of all, you need to get your panels, well, lay everything out, and then get your panels. And you need to make a box inside the bags using your panels. So I've got my two large panels upright at the sides, and then so far I've got two small panels at the ends, and then there's a gap, and I can just neatly slot in my small panels. And so I've got a box. And then what you want to do is get all your red components, and get all your long tubes and drop them into the hole you've made so that they're adjacent to the large panels. Drop them in at the end. If you've got blindfolds, there should be room just to drop those on the top as well. Then this one, exactly the same process with the panels. Next, grab your wheels and drop them in upright so they're adjacent to the large panels. So you've got a nice box inside and you've got your wheels, and then really easy, drop your black components and any remaining components into the hole that you've made. Zip that up, and then if you're keeping your manuals with the kit as well, you can drop them into the side pockets. And then the rest of your manuals can drop in to the other side pockets. And that's your MTa Team Kit packed and complete.